Hi, this is Shanna Swinland on behalf of Expert Village, and in our video series on how to make your own baby food, this is how to serve the baby food that you've been working so hard to make. So the first thing we do is we get the baby food from the freezer or from the fridge. And if it's frozen baby food, it might be a little bit hard to get out of the containers. So what I usually do, since I have lids on the food, is I come over to the sink and I just put it on real hot water and run it over the bottom. And that helps break up the cubes so that they're a little bit easier to get out of the container. So with your frozen food or with your food from the refrigerator, what you do is it's already cold, so you just add a little bit of boiling water to the cold refrigerated food. And you mix that up with a spoon. And that makes it really a wonderful consistency for your baby. Now with any of these foods, you can add some of the oatmeal that we made a little bit earlier. So this is specifically sweet potato and oatmeal. You can mix the different foods that you've made together, and it should be a lot of fun for you to start serving your homemade food to your baby.